welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Situation between Himamalim and HNYM escalates. 10-year-old boy perished in an accident at William Nagar. Minthong enlightened on disaster preparedness. And All Saints Hall packed with domestic utility items. And now the news in detail. On the 3rd May, the 03.MAY National Youth Movement arrived at Maukar in the office of the same of Himamalim and Dorbar, demanding for answers to questions left unattended. The union intended to lock the office due to the failure of the office to remove the non-Khasi village headman in Rat Marwet, Khanapara, Riboy district. The union expressed rage over the fact that the Khasi population in Rat Marwet is lesser than expected. However, the situation escalated when the two forces started deciding terms. Speaking to the media persons, the president of HNYM, Louis Dotodong, informed that the Himamalim office had written to the self-claimed Garo headman to quit the act, but the union found out that the self-claimed village headman still continues their illegal work and provided NOCs for other people to drill a borrow well in Khanapara with the authority as headman. In response to Louis Dotodong, INAM's aim informed that as per the norms of the Hima, it did not give any non-Khasi the right to claim themselves as village headman, but they had just appointed them to be administrators because the Garo population was huge in Rat Marwet. However, they are taking every step according to the law.
Hadian jeng kecing keren ya kulit bah kalami kini ka kulit kami kini mo ka approval dalami kini ni na kalian keseng ni orang bakat ba pimpat pendap ya ketu ke jengkot application ni kwa ban I kita ke application jeng kita ke circle dang ba song kita apply dan log ke circle dang ba song for Rat Marwet andrai kum kita kimpat pen I adu mentang ila tho ke application ke jongi ban yo I ke list jeng kini ke circle dang ba song kita apply ke aplikan kemo andrai ke klaim pai kat kami kesan negara bakal ada approve. Kini kadai kecing le kebom sultanat, kebak kiburi kecing sisa. Dah halor jong kini basan jong karat nongse, lai assurance uang ba ngin scrap no ya kini, ngin kang no ya kini, bat kini kibala ai approval council kim dai show kibala itu naga Hima. Lalu ke office sungsi ke Hima Malim. Lada ki itu lagi itu jubor kata kecik klik kadai kejongki. Ngemla aban batai ke ke baca. Namar bangi ngemla ban ya pen ya ka kedok syap jong kejat menriu bat kajing mentoy simet donor jeng hadu mentang yang ka nongrem ban ya dai ka kedok syap jong kejat menriu benar tak rau kini kilak kular bangkit scrap kini ki kerteng ba kinom itu syu kum kita kisar kelang ba senong ngin up ya kene ka kubor lanu ki scrap kini pak kopi singi ru lada kim pak kopi singi kambot kita ngin hable kepada kap namar ngiru ngidan lah ke jong hi kapor ban yada la jom kanda pasya benreu kidan ladang ibe nang ne kidang don ikibai pat kijaka sunung trai joki ni sha ingin phat na kene ka ri ke jom ta kai ka balang kalong baha kene ka list ngi I menta bagadis council ru kala asen ni kini kala ai approval ni kini gerang ba sunung ne mo pi kini ki rang ba sunung jong garak circle rang ba sunung ni ai jemot ya usim Himamalim ni ong bade banbu ada ka kanten rang ba sunung pelun Harai hang neu klam pedang ijing ajumut jongi utho be salkel rang ba sno de ni kwa hi kumbalang menta kajat benriu rekat biksang bahalang ni dawa ya kejing itu ikaktin Khasi ya ka ichiril haga karnet ka bapra jana tak kadau ni kwa baki Hima kibade kita ki traditional rule jong kajat benriu ka jongi kide ban bor-bor hi ki ban snai ki sil ne da kaktin la jong khanang bakat im kaktin haba im kaktin im kajat benriu Harai kumbalong menta yakini ki rang ba snong pelun la susim la kasim da ka ba appoint nang ne po office ya ka ba kaseng kamla ban pedang dalele ya namar bakal adon ka jingkot application ki girang ba snong ka ba menta na wasu appoint direct na po ka Hima kani ka jing la sop jong ka Himamalim rangkat jus Rat Marwet ngila kran sa bu Rat Marwet iya je kejat benriu bat dan betahiru imat bak kani ka khandok siap jeng kejat benriu nak tara salia ban de ka khandok siap jeng kejat benriu jong ka Himamalim ka dai kanong kenti jono kadai jong pat ba hak semisal kadar jom khasi ka khandau ka jom pai ba mla ban kam trai mano hanrai kumalang menta ngi baka hima kelas lang bersim nong kenti penban selede da ka ba ya di thet jaka pathar hapora marwat ngi begitu ki hamar gi mizo ginaga kilala ban thet jaka bersaya semisal
nakata ngong iki ba kete nomor ba kidan hapo kali karai marwet nakata ki roi pasnong hi naginang punya snong hi kimla mande ban thia ka jaka nomor iki ngila subu iki tangkum kinong punda snong bar hapo ka ayu jong ki hapo ka order jong ki ka hukum ka jong ki bala ong bai batik makin pe tik tangi welfare jong ki brio gini ki welfare scheme nrai kimla mande ban thia ka khando Mandi dia kendo nomor bahang ti kedan karaj marwat udon si marwat pe ya kendo ka siap remaki kim lawan le entah
Kan kedan da jutno
ketang jongki kalyang jongi na kalyang jong ka hima long adin mangilai kran sadi bahai kan kam kan jong ka isi kan jong pa im ngi berkhoi marba ingim long karti ka dustur ngi kamsha bagin bu iki garu bakin long kum ki rang pas nomor karti ka dustur ka hapo ka malim akru kala tho shai ba tong khasi balak berlong, kasih penat gila berlong orang basno. Dia kenapa kamu lihat aku kalau bar lupa iki. Mo iki kimla berlong tu orang basno. Dari mengilai keren mamta, baru seketahi kalau mi apa kamu lihat aku melim rule kalau kamu tahi. Bayaki ibu baik kumki, nong punya snong. Nomor bang kimdan kibun snong majoriti bagian ki garus dah ki ibu orang kumki, inong punya snong. Tengi kimdan ni kata bang inong iki bang gila ban ai ki kum kita ki ayu nak kata kadau ni ka circle hatman ka jingmi jong ni ka circle hatman ne ki rang bas nong pulun mo ki bang rang bas nong pulun ni ai proposal ba in sungna support just for the time being nomor bang ngipal la ban ayu ni ka kam just for the time being in bu swatang da ki longsan ba de jong ka rai marwet
yang belum concern.
On the 2nd May, a young boy crossing the road to the other side was killed when a speeding pickup truck ran him over in William Nagar when he returned from school. The deceased was identified as Mikasal D. Sangma, who was 10 years of age. The accident took place at Baija Abagre in the Songsak and William Nagar Tri-Junction area of the State Highway Road. The Mahindra pickup truck bearing the registration number ML07A9696 was coming from William Nagar and was moving towards Kera on the Songsak Road. The boy was rushed to William Nagar Civil Hospital, but unfortunately he succumbed to his injuries. The District Management Authority, West Jaintia Hills District, on the 3rd May organized a disaster preparedness program for residents of Minthong, Jowai on how to prepare oneself and rescue other victims of natural disasters. Introducing the topic disaster management, DL Kharkongor, District Disaster Management Officer, informed the people that natural disaster can occur anywhere, anytime. Therefore, people must be vigilant. The Deputy Controller, Civil Defence Jowai F. Lamare, along with his staff, showed the people on how to protect oneself and others during disasters. HML Kinta, Additional Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills, on the other hand, exclaimed that she believes the knowledge given to the people will help them in the long run and they will be armed with knowledge if ever a situation arises as such. Present in the occasion also includes M.A. Chalam, Additional Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills District, Hetman of Minthong, Lamprang Poktai, Sketri, Room Kongla and others.
No? The Pinyo Raja with George can come. I do got the tea pot. Pinyo can get some bone of happening in to do. Sami, but Mhoji. Sami, the how we thought I did what happened correct. Ile happen correct to tipi menuja. My dear tip try with an menuja, the what am coming correct. Come Musa ni dia buat training di Bangalore. I am ga cuba cerita ini MG measurement. Wo detect wa menu jurus lah ada kat wanu jurus pergi di MG kita mesin dia boleh kecuali dia itu dia boleh dah evacuate dia rak gigi belum sana mentang rak saya tak terbang kemudian ke rest of life ini ke jingmai ke jingim gua dia betagi nang cung hak tak cung nuksa kau mentang kemudian evacuate ikat tawan sini ong ika ke North East tak kuwi ni kata bahawa man peron bahan uman ni bentau kumi kemudian email ni tiar bitak wa menuju lada yi ditak la menu melara ong gi ni tiar ta embai ong gi wa da e ki start sayan wa dau dia kamte remje Tadam day ketika register meter scale yang tak kuek lah ni betai haduk katuan gaji kita. Untuk orang tu dia tahu ni disaster can be in any form. Hayu macam ni disaster. Habu mau lah ke disaster. Lada jauh ya pai perapi ni macam nak ke disaster. No? Ibu kan bon ibu orang disaster tu mahu kami ke selai na bon disaster. Henrywan kami kita juga problem you solve. Ile you solve atau apa? TV. Kami ini natural disaster kan? Ichi ni orang yang baru-baru ijo mana orang ka disaster ijo berkat ijo kumi kan? Mana orang ijo flat imrap ni ile? Wah iman tahu man heli kami. Asam iman sunem mati jinge hawo ya ile percak waka Dia di sini kini tsunami lah mem. Dia gini volcanic eruption lah mem. Mainly target major disaster, natural disaster such. Ujian itu do me landslide. Landslide woman common. Boy itu senam dalam TV, boy itu senam ini tahu anjing dia dari jauh. Kan kamu mengatakan nuksa kan? Hukum cenayung di sini. Hukum cenayung di sini. Nagaliang yang kasul depan, nagaliang yang di DMO, ini so far.
Semua mandai ini natural calamity, half building, half perspective, juga itu. Semua mandai restik ina jerong cepo OBRD, opening kami tulai OBRD cepo. Tecnai itu multi komnot, semua yang support ni, yang tulai. Lada hari kami, semua đào slip saya di kan le đào thang di yang nam dapat kamu kon yuk senai mau di kamar siapa simpi yuk mau kut mengkulai dan kita ketika timun yang ni jaga masalah yang guna lalu pilih yang lebih guna ton yuk mengkulai ton cikelan sok dia pilih simpi harus mau kut mengkulai bro Mana pun tulai uni wakam apa yang tulai wada sok ni. Mana dia ini pelajari. Jadi kami thought jemput yo smart. Lalu cina you wipo wila ye baik cina. Tangwa madele ni dekat tu kami thought jemput smart. Dekat tu mana dia ini yo support ni how ditulai. Mana cina dia ini multi komnot. Ada wi yang single, wi atau single wi Zaman pun jemut multi. Zaman cina di kejing-jingai yang ini not kejenggi ciciput. Ciciput wi kejing-jingai nangwa mandahia yo ulah jingai. Contoh dan ini aku mandahia bejok biar ini. Pada pokoknya jeruk po. Zaman dulu kiulu tu lelai. Em hi de mi tho lo yong ni to lai chi sen lo tong hi yong lai bo ro ni na sia u mi to lai yong wi wo hia po ni wu yan chin wi wo hia po tan chi jong tan di wa ro so ni ro bi de ni Mana dia ini bukut sini yang ini yaulut cisen lu, ya.
More than 30 stalls selling domestic utility items showcase their products in a carnival fest which they manufactured from small workshops in the market held on the 3rd and 4th May at All Saints Hall, IGP Point. The items offered by these stalls consist of daily home use materials. Speaking to the media persons, the owners of such items inform how the materials are made for the general public to utilize them in their homes. There are also imported products sold in this carnival fest.
Kapag iti kalau iti kini customized jainsem pila ban ai kanono ke design kapag pikwa gidon kini painted jainsem gidon kini embroidery jainsem iti ro kini banaras dhara bag gidan ro ki casual jainsem kapag pila ban sem man kasni bag ki formal jainsem gidan nang taro ila iti ro kini khasi rendia paka, bati khasi dhara paka. Play Shibon.
Welcome to the carnival! Yay! We are promoting healthy products. So this is like salted almond spread, which is all really made with nuts and dates. We are promoting date-based products. It's a company in Bombay, all in-house production, and it's small batches so that it's all nice and fresh. We have a variety of spreads in this one. This is salted almonds, and this is peanut butter crunchy. We are best sellers with the peanut butter smooth spread, which is very healthy for the kids. No sugar, only date sugar. And this is hazelnut cocoa, very premium product. A little bit highly priced, but it's worth the money because it's damn tasty. So this is the plain peanut butter, which is our best selling and very healthy, very low in sugar. So good for your body. Our new products are cane sugar, which is the replacement for crystal sugar, which is very bad for our health. So these products we can use in all the sweets that we make at home, or even the shakes or tea or halwa or whatever you make. Please try to use date-based products which are low in GI and very healthy for your health. We are sold out in date honey, which is another one of the premium products which can be used, very versatile and the best. I think just cut down your sugars and go for the date sugar, and as a health benefit, try to use less and less of sugar and try to replace it with natural sugar. All the best, enjoy, keep healthy, stay happy, enjoy. Love you all.
Teng jong ade salona ling choy masa anong mensong dong kabiang tengah represent ngabu kini ki products mentana ka company magnesa ki yang tu kadi ka wellness ka health and wellness product. So kidan kini ki products hang ni ki ba na menta pat ka khia jani ma ni kidan na menta ki na menta ban ay ka met mapat ka khia ban pen plan ya ka immunity jani nang ta ban pen khot ban ya ka met ka phat kidan ki products menta ka BP na menta ka shini na menta ki your heart na menta ka kung gani ka digestion na menta ka bidan gastric no bon mini badan ki gastric nang taki na menta ka constipation ki badan nado narendang siya kasnir ba mo ban khot ban yarap na menta ka digestion ni don live safe the day na menta liver bro ka gidan ka ban khot you liver she same she snam ni marka ka bangi bam ka bangi di na kalier na ka stress ni yo liver jong you sni man ka pon yo cirrhosis liver yo fatty liver gidan ka ban bandi liver care liver safe na bentaban pen hayo liver jong you na tangi don ka you trike na benta ki kentai kani kadai na benta ki kentai kiba don ka plakon ka ba ting idon cyst idon fibroid la ning idon kanu mo ka jing so haka poi banai te kani ka yarap na menta ki kentai khamtam kumjuru ya kiba mi opon ta idon respire na menta ki tor jangi kani ka yarap na menta ban plan ya ki tor khamtam ki badi secret nang ta kita kibadan ka sahiyaw kibadan ka jarho kani kadai na menta ka ban plan ya ki tor mo nang ta idon ka brinsa na menta ka jabing jangi kidon kaman pinkan ka jabing jangi nang bangin numklet biet mo ki kena skol ki ba don kami ka memory power mo ban krapon bat ya ki temen ro ki bala kamduna ka jingken mau na ni ka bor jing ka jangki kidon kani ka antioxidant juice kani ka ba isna na ki so ban na ki kenbat kani ka yarap na menta ban prevent ki cancer bunjat ki jingpang hakamet jangi bat kumjuru ban aya ka immunity kanang bangin la na ki biang kli ki jarho bat na bunjat ki jingpang gidang don bun ru ki products hang ni iba gi kam yo ban display ru di fila ban pentak yang dari ban zet hang ni sur hapo sa Shillong spring carnival mo publish bot
show your visiting card.
Yes.
Leaders of the Khasi Students Union KSU and Ribhoy Youth Federation RBYF Umsning on the 2nd May captured a truck boarding a multitude of migrants coming to Meghalaya in search of work without proper documents and permits from departments of the state government and KHADC. The KSU and RBYF ordered the truck to stop and prevented them from continuing their journey. After inquiring the migrants on their intention, they were handed over to the police of the Umsning outpost to conduct further investigation on the people intending to enter the state for various unknown reasons.
Sashisin, tang pembahapo shibnai hadin kejungwan jumi jungi cepo infiltration, mentakan ne kibar jelangi layo atkem. Kei kene. Kei kejungbut mata truk yewan sapori kasi jungi. De kene ka penpau, ba ka tungko hadu mata kadang yak, kadang long. De kane mongsu bangin batai ke pida ka suntur, pila ban peti. Kiwan sanen dakat truk. Kei kejungbut.
Patikna halor ka jing wan lang ba ka truk jong gine ki mendar mo kina kliang ka RBF rengkat ka KSU layo ban igine hapo ka Umsning kane ka po bypass ti ngashropat negi parado prasna para kasi hadu menta ngine do na jinge kacai berujui kala jandu no kane belai bidang syapat ba pinang kuat ba ki menderi kinang wan ruk si mandruk siapa di Shillong itau jungi aga jelab jungi de dalile nang liang jungi ka seng ina mailak kum gine bagin nang ja nang nesa khamat bat ginang trace to miru ban dalile kinum dan kum gine ki bat nang iskam ru ba nang liang ka KSU ba ka RBF kin trace tom bat dalile ru ginum la ban tolerate ikum gine jakam.
Taibor Langpathau, MDC of Maulai, on the 3rd May, headed to Maulai Nongkwar to inspect the sightseeing spot known as the Bishop Bidden's Fall. Speaking to the media persons during his rounds of inspection, Taibor Langpathau informed that the work is in progress and soon the renovation of the tourist spot will be done to boost tourism in one way and to attract visitors who would be mesmerized by the spot. He assured with confidence that this spot will bring along prosperity and it will be a source of employment to the people where they can set up different kinds of stalls, restaurants and maintain the cleanliness and beautify the place by planting flowers all around it. He added that Maulai will prosper with the presence of streams and rivers that captivates the eye.
So bro ni Shillong, ilo Shillong dalam kapne dengan kam Shillong, tapi dan officer dari council bewan lang ni kuat. Kemudian play akan assemble lagi ngilap penyu yang scheme yang bagai diskomsel kemudian internet yang kini kecekam maka ini kini kecekam bapau bahang dari kamu cuba kait pertai ke Bishop kemudian Falls kini kecekam kaba labanah kamap tu kemudian tourism tertara maka yang juga komendisi itu kepuar masim kia berpenyu yang scheme nak kita berpen bahab yang kini kecekam ini dia berkering kini cuba kait pertai kenapa kita coba pergi ke dia konon pet. Namar kalau mentahi ka tourism kerja kau ini ki kam kepala ban dia cuma toy nam tak kita sok ambil tang ni mulai konstruksi ke jelai kau namar ni kita cekak tempat ini pun iwan pet antara step dekat kita dalam Shillong dekat di officers dan dis council bagi pet ini cerita kam kelana ya sah berkerinti begini orang pedap kam keluar kini kadang begini orang play pan nak kita begini kering gini cukup tertib kena pet. Ini kecekak itiang kemudian fokus Shillong mulai konstruksi jom itu nak dalam juga simkia berpindah keluar ini berkembang lah pular cepat bah bagi keladur ini kecekak mentah play secara kelar citra kerana citra kerana ya kini bah hak port bubiang ni saya akan play lagi ni kerana ini orang dan juga pertama mulai kita kau kecekak apa konstruksi kemudian pun kecekak kita kini coba pertama untuk bosku museum lu mangsi gejing tu jungkin awak coba kita ke kawan rak ke jemutoi nak tak jala tentang konstruksi yang ni nomor ngeladon ki jingtu nak kita bangin penyo lat yo kami ki konsamla nak Shillong dan pipet tak nak entrance suaru katakan ningut ba kinong pet ila don kinong pengkoi dan tak kindan ki cafeteria kiba nak liang joki kebesim bata bersiap nam tak tourist mana tu ka kandon ke jio kam nak kindan ki stall bakin di yakini ki tiar gitar bide ki jing longkerpang jong kenika ki handicraft ki jongi beliau personal tenang ni play ka direct employment but indirect employment lawan lupa hasil bakal no keceka ke bawan hi terus setu iki ora pisah mo kalau kerja mutoi community bahkan dia jing penolong jogi kini kam kun sama ke sayo kam lo jam nak niru penolong ke jemat pai tingidan ki open air gym ru ki bala syai ki bekwa banwan kin perlu kin room member jom kila banwan ya kai kilometer step na yunu ki bekwa dengan naktaru ka kalap yo kam lo kami.
Umkay Presbyterian Secondary School was established in the year 1995 with 15 students and 3 teachers. However, due to insufficient revenue to pay the teachers, the school had to be aided by the government all these years. Present time, the school has upgraded to a secondary school and got the opportunity to send students for the SSLC examinations from MBOS. Although the school had showed signs of improvement, but it is still lagging in various areas. Speaking to the media persons, the president of the school managing committee, Balajit Khamdet, and Shakespeare Lingdo, who is one of the members of the school, informed that the school's slow pace of improvement is due to the neglect they face from the government, particularly the education department. The school should have better facilities and should be improvised more than what it is since it is reaching nowhere in the growth scale when compared to other schools.
Ti ngila persyang hagine kasnem kabaladep kasnem arhajar khatpral ngam bakla ngila tho ye jing tho ngila fa forward hai doktor di lapangru ban penyo songsion no ye ke school jongi namar bahadu menta ye ke school jongi ke secondary level hi ke school kabla Krishan Pisa da ke Shillong bad da ka Balang ha ka bamangi ha ka shibnai ngi haban siu tulop kumba sau peunyo hajar tela dangin ngin multiply khat arteli ki benai ngil haban siu tulop la kumno kumba san lak nrupu saw hajar ye ada khanya ka sisnem te ngi shom stom ban penmi ya kane ka Pisa namar na kalyang jong ka Balang ru ngim don ki we pat ki sos nang ta na kalyang jong ka Shillong ru ngim don ki we pat ki sos te namar kata ngi shem jinge te kane ka khubor le se kan long ka khubor ka ba ngila ban pha shaki department kom ke education department bahkan yo banirap kini ki jing don kam jong ka school ke jongi
pilat sio tek ne empat ikilat jingirap ketenat kepada IP ka pudi
hadu mentahi hawide baka secondary level ngimpat yo hawide baka secondary level namar bangidon lightly ki kategori ka LP section nang ta ka opo primary section baka secondary section ha LP section ngilayo ki building school ngilayo ki toilet nang ta opo primary ru ngilayo ki building school ngilayo ki toilet and ka secondary level hi hadu mentangi empat yo jingram
te kumba kalong metal dan kumba kat lungut ki kena school
to hadu mentahi ki kena school ki bawan ban pule hangne ki bakentup ki kena school nang nena umkei nang tanah mausim na nong sungu na mau pedang dia bakhen kelumlang ya ka total enrollment jongki ke lapoi hado lai spa nyu pulai ngot kemo sau spa duna teh wide bat ka result jong ka SSLC ru ka school jongi na ka por result jong ka biang ba idon kumbalai bat sau tuli kisnem ki bangi pha shifongut ki pas shifongut kamut ngong 100% lan 100% te kidon kisnem ki ba ngiyo prapo persen kidon kisnem ki bangiyo san 4% te bide ba result ngim don jinge ye kena ki bami nang ne ki biang kidon ki biyo ha ka distinction ru kidon ki biyo first division but second division kata bide ba ka result
Tok beli sibun ba basan salah. Ya kenjat aku ide bat ka history jong ka Umkay Presbyterian Secondary School. Tok basdang ngila form ya ka local body jong ka Shillong bat ka Balang. Te basdang ngidon tangkat sangut ki kena skor. Bat tang langut ki nang kai. Te ka jing sedang jong ni school da ka ba ngia kan show Pisa na kamenta ka tulom na kalyang jong Balang bat na kalyang jong Shillong te din ba ngilaya nau aga arpu terik ne April bat house nem sijar kandai spa kandai pesan te ngilaya kumtu ter ban ngila persyang ban jing yarap na kalyang jong ka sarkar ha bedai banyo i function na du ki lower primary Tengi oil section jongka naga SSA te hadin kato kan nesnem ni la persyang ban pan yung iram hawi day bat ka opar primary ni oil section jongka adhong te ter kumtu ngi yan te kalah kam simpor dagi babun bun senam nadu senam sijar kendai spak kendai pesan ter hadu senam ar hajar iwei te ngila persyang dagi babun gilan kum kaba penmi daga pista ke bensiu gitu lop na liang jong senong bat kebalang ngi kensiu ngi siu ki hagdar kebatan lai spak tengga cibenai bat hadin khat ar senam hag jing jon jing skill ka poi khat ar spak hag jing siu na kamta kinong kai te bas komen ngalong ba babun na giliang ki dukot jongka mani gumti ki ba lalek no ba don ru na kaliang jongi ki bedang ya trelem hadu mentaru kidang yale sai chi ban penkiu seprang ya kene school te kenya dak widai bat kene ka jing ya inti jongka hagis nem ge menswa ngim judan kum gini spon te ngisu yale malu malatang ki bedai po skur ndre kampau iru te sokmen sibun ngalong bah kene gesi ka arpoitrik april mentau ar hajar atulai ka skul jingi ka layak jentih du kuma ar pratlik snam.
The Global Himalaya Expedition, in collaboration with District Administration to Intura, West Garo Hills, conducted a 3-day homestay operations and management training on the 3rd May. 16 homestay owners from various Garo villages of Meghalaya participated in this 3-day training starting from the 2nd May that will cover aspects of rural tourism and sustainable accommodations. Speaking to the media persons, Anupa Hawk, a mountaineer, exclaimed that as part of the training, GHE updates the homestay owner, practical knowledge and level them to grow in their business and to bring more tourism in the region. He also said that the first step was to establish infrastructure in the region and next step was to establish homestay to bring tourism to this region for income generation. Meanwhile, Dharmanji Momin, the owner of Dopachi Homestay, also said that the training is very helpful and they have been trained on how to bring development in tourism in the area.
My name is Anubhav and I am working with Mountain Homestays Initiative at GHE to kind of lead the Mountain Homestays the homestays initiative across the region and kind of establish new homestays in the remote mountain communities and train these homestay owners on soft skills as well as skills required to provide proper hospitality to the tourists as described earlier. GHE in collaboration with Meghalaya Tourism and the district administration has conducted a 3-day training workshop for the homestay entrepreneurs of the Garo region. The training was conducted from 2nd to the 4th of May at the Smelsea complex in Tura and had 15 homestay owners from the different regions of Garo. GHE through its Mountain Homestays Initiative has been leading the way in setting up climate positive homestays across several regions of India and recently signed an MOU, a Memorandum of Understanding, with the Meghalaya Tourism to develop and establish homestay tourism in the state. As part of the MOU, the first step was to build the skills within the local entrepreneurs on various facets of the homestay, which includes diverse topics like gastronomy, good hosting practices, financial literacy, preparation for guests, and managing guest expectations, as well as marketing and branding of these homestays. The workshop was first of its kind in the region, where the primary focus is to upgrade the homestay owners' practical knowledge with the right tools and skills to enable them to grow their business while being able to bring more tourism to the region. A special emphasis was maintained on sustainable and responsible tourism so that the travelers only leave behind a positive footprint and do not end up polluting the fragile ecosystem of the region. The homestay owners were also encouraged to move away from plastic waste, which is widely used in the cities, and have zero waste policy within these homestays while focusing on showcasing the local culture and food of the region to the homestay, to the travelers coming in this region. The team also worked with the homestay owners to promote nature-based tourism, which is eco-friendly within the region. This is in line with the Meghalaya tourism and government of Meghalaya's priorities for the state at the moment. This is the start of a process in which the next step would be for the GHE to work with Meghalaya Tourism and identify a few homestays as pilot and convert them into carbon neutral homestays, thereby bringing a clear value proposition for the homestays in the region and pushing the narrative of pristine and culturally diverse Meghalaya that is at the forefront of sustainable tourism. As part of the training, GHE got a team of specialized homestay trainers, Simarpreet Kaur and Anubhav Jain, who also work on the Mountain Homestays initiative. They both have years of experience and have conducted several trainings across India. So the idea is when you go to these remote regions, it's very hard to create handicraft value chain, all these things. So the first step is to establish infrastructure within these regions, and next is to establish homestay and bring tourism to this region, who contributes to the local economy and brings income generation opportunity for the entrepreneurs of these areas. So it kind of creates a tourism value chain and a circular economy in this region. The idea of GHE is to contribute towards the destination development of this region and create a circular economy which is based out of tourism as a base is what the focus is.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.